In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to filter a Wix repeater using selection tags. Let me walk you through this interesting journey of arranging and streamlining your data. The first part of the process involves ensuring everything is connected correctly. Your repeater, which is a tool that displays items from a dataset, and your selection tags input element, the tool which enables your website visitors to filter content based on their choices, must both be linked to the very same dataset and content collection. This is an integral step, as having them connected to the same dataset ensures that the filter works smoothly and accurately. Moving on to the next aspect in the process, it's time to set up your filter. For setting up the filter, focus your attention on the selection tag's input element. Once you've selected it, proceed by clicking on Settings. Within Settings, you'll find an option that reads Filter Content. Go ahead and select that. This imparts competence to your selection tag's input element to refine the content based on the visitor's preferences. The journey doesn't end here. In fact, we're just getting to the exciting part. We now march ahead to configuring the filter field. While still within Settings, scroll around to find the field you wish to filter your content by. For instance, you may have a tags field in your collection. You could select that. Following the selection of the desired field, you'll need to choose an operator. I suggest you opt for isAnyOf, a handy operator that filters data based on any of the specified conditions. Coming to the final segment of this tutorial, it's time to sit back and view the results of your hard work. Here's what will happen. When a visitor on your site selects tags in the input, magic unfolds. The repeater plays its role and automatically filters to show only those items that perfectly match the selected tags. It's a sight to behold, as the visitor gets a streamlined view of his or her preferences, making their browsing experience enriching and valuable. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on filtering a Wix repeater using selection tags. By following these steps, you should be able to provide a filtered and specific view to every visitor based on the tags they select. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the magic unfold.